It is page number 57 and the topic is 3.4.3 cross multiplication method. So far, you have learned how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables by graphical, substitutional and elimination methods. Here, we introduce one more algebraic method to solve a pair of linear equations, which for many reasons is a very useful method for solving the equations. Before we proceed further, let us consider the following situation. The cost of 5 oranges and 3 apples is rupees 35 and the cost of 2 oranges and 4 apples is rupees 28. Let us find the cost of an orange and apple. Let us denote the cost of an orange is rupees x and the cost of an apple by rupees y. Then the equation formed are 5x plus 3y is equal to 35, that is 5x plus 3y minus 35 is equal to 0, and this is equation number 1. 2x plus 4y is equal to 28, that is 2x plus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0, that is equation number 2. Let us use the elimination method to solve these equations. Multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. We get 4 into 5 into x plus 4 into 3 into y plus 4 into minus 35 is equal to 0, and say this is equation number 3. 3 into 2 into x plus 3 into 4 into y plus 3 into minus 28 is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, we get after solving you will solve, then you will get the value here x is equal to and y is equal to given here. If the equation, and it is equation number 5, value of x is equal to it is equation number 5, it is page number 58. If equation 1 and 2 are written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then we have a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 35, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 28. The equation 5 can be written as x is equal to b2 b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, you can get y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. By simplifying the equation number 5, we get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the solution of the given pair of equation. Then the cost of an orange is rupees 4 and the cost of an apple is equal to rupees 5. See, once you have written down the equation, see the equation number 3 and 4 on the page number 57. You have to subtract the equation 4 from the equation 3, then you will get the, after solving you will get the value of x likewise. So here you can write five x plus 3y minus 35 is equal to 0. So this is a1, this is b1 and this is c1, and next is 2x plus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. So here 2 is the a2, b2 is equal to 4 and c2 is equal to minus 28. So you can write here a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 35. Similarly, Here A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to 4, and C2 is equal to minus 28. That's why it is on the page number 58. It is written in here A1, B1, C1, and A2, B2, and C2. So then a value of x will be, you have to remember this formula, x is equal to and y is equal to x is equal to B1 C2, B1 C2, then minus B2 C1 by A1 B2, A1 B2 minus A2 B1, and y is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So you have to use this formula in solving the question, and you have to remember also the verification cost of 5 mangoes and the cost of 3 apples. It is rupees 20 plus 15 is equal to 35, and the cost of 2 oranges and the cost of 4 apples, it is rupees 8 plus rupees 20 is equal to 28. So this is the solution. You have to. So here when you will put the value of x, a1 here b1 c1 will be there, and b2 c2 will be there. Then you have to multiply b1 c2 first, and this side b2 c1, and then downside a1 and b2 will be there. After verification, let us now see how this method works for any pair of linear equations in two variables of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Say the equation 1 and 2.